Hi, lovelies. You're welcome to Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Lovelies, we are cooking the simple, easy, delicious, super tasty fisherman soup. Wow, this is a must try for everyone. Either you are back at home or wherever you are in this world, you can make this and it will come out super yummy. Let me show you the way. Pour your vegetable oil into the pot you'll be using. Add diced onion or sliced onion into it. Saute, just fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Allow it to flavor that palm oil. After that, get the bell pepper mix you'll be using. I'm using bell pepper and onion. Feel free to add habanero pepper, but I'll be using chili flakes. Now, what I get for house now, they use my people. All I need to do now is to give them a good mix together and cook. We'll be frying it. I'm not going to cover this fully. I'm just going to cover it partly like this and allow it to fry. So look at it. You can see how it looks now after about 15 minutes. Yeah, on the middle to low heat. Now I added seasoning into it. I added salt and mix it together and allow it to fry again. At least make it still fry for about 10 to 15 minutes again. Yes, on the low heat. After that, you notice that the oil is coming on top of it, and I'll take it off the cooker. In another pot, I'll be pouring the crabs I'm using today. I'm to use crab or and I added small onions into it. I added salt and of course a little bit of seasoning as well. And after that, I added ginger to boost the taste, and when we are about to eat, let's eat it early these days. I added hot water and a little bit of coriander leaves into it. That is optional, no wahala. Now cover and allow it to boil. Yes, you see as they do choco too. This one done. Now it's now time to add prawns into it. I added prawns. It's already well washed. I added it into it. I gave them a good mix together, and of course they have to cook together. No be so. So I cover and allow it to boil. Look at it. It doesn't take time for prawns to get cooked. So it is now cooked. It's now time to take out the ginger. Look at the prawns. Look yummy, all right? So I looked for the ginger and I took it out of the stock. So I'm just going to keep this aside for later use. Now I brought back that our pepper mix. Look at it. It's now time to introduce this super stock and our crabs and prawns into it, of course. But I'm just going to take the stock first of all. Look at the prawns and the crabs. They look yummy, right? Now give this one a good mix. Make them be together. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Remember to like, remember to share. God bless you. What I have here is super dried crayfish powder. I've just added it to it. I was so generous with it. Please do so. You will love the result. Now mix it well together. And what I have here, Mona, the tilapia fish we are going to use to make the super yummy soup. It is well washed and seasoned with some salt already for about 2 hours already. I washed and I just kept it in the fridge like that. Now I put it into the pepper mix and allow the pepper mix to cover it. Okay, let it cover it well. So the time for the crabs and the prawns to come and meet their mama inside there, the fish. Yes, now I added them together. I also added dried fish into it. That's it. Sorry, I caught it. I didn't remember to add it to the video. So I covered and allowed them to cook. What I have here is all-purpose flour. Yes, if you don't have thickener, no problem. Get all-purpose flour. I'm using just 2 tablespoonfuls. I added water to it. Mix it well. Let it be lumps free. And it's now time to add it into the cooking soup. Just add it like this and mix it a bit. Just get something like this. Don't mix it jaga anyhow. Don't allow the fish to scatter. You can just carry your pot, shake it well. Now cover and allow it to cook very well. All right, look at this one. The aroma here, my people. This fisherman soup is the fisher soup. I tell you, I don't know how to. I just feel like bringing them to you. Taste for salt and seasoning and for pepper, adjust when it is necessary. This one is super okay like this, and it's now time to add my vegetables into it. I'm using spinach. That's what I have. Had ugu, had uziza, had kale, any vegetable you can have. Just add some into it allow it to boil together for about 5 minutes. And Omo, don't let me talk much. Let me show you how to take rock am. It is ready. Look at this. Like I've said, this is a must try for everyone. Don't tell me you are looking for thickener or whatever. Use this method. This is so simple. It is direct and you will love it. Thanks for watching. Love you all.